Hi everyone, don't you love the spring? Oh, it's my favourite season of all of the seasons. I love the beautiful camellias and I love the delicate nature of them. I absolutely love lilac. This is new to the range here at Prestige Botanicals, and I have had lots of people asking, Astar, what kind of a design can I do with camellias? Well, I am here to help. I found this lovely container. Well, actually, it was a glass container, and I painted the inside of the vase with enamel paint, let it dry, and then did another coat, and then I spray painted around the base. Just because I could, and I thought that it was much better, because you know how I don't like to see the stems of artificial blooms in a container. Well, I don't, and I've got to get over myself. However, now the other thing I've put into here to start with is I've got a lovely branch of twisty willow, and I've got two of our beautiful, I call them our ballet pink hydrangeas. They're gorgeous colourway, and what I love is that they're perfect form and colourway with the hydrangea. Okay, to begin, let's get in, and the reason that I'm using the willow is it's a great structure in which to put your flowers on, and it keeps them in balance and it gives them a good structure. Now I've still got some little labels on here, but I've got to keep the labels on because I keep forgetting the numbers and people ring me. And don't forget that you can directly contact me through Astar's Place Instagram page, and you just give me a ring and I can do a video chat with you. All very exciting, this new technology. Okay, I've got one coming out there. I was going to bend that, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that down and into there and bring that across to there. This is going to be one of those not linear but horizontal kind of arrangements, because where this is going I've got lots of room. Now I'm just going to bring that one down into there like so. And for those of you who love camellias as much as I do, you will know what it's like trying to get these to last for more than a day, because their little heads pop off. So this way with the artificial you can get to enjoy them all year round, which is wonderful. And I've got a couple of little brides that I've got coming up, and their words were, oh, I'd really like camellias, Astar, and I was able to say, it's not a problem because I've got some. Okay, the next thing I want to put into here, let me just see what I'm doing here, is a little bit of the lilac. I'm going to bring a piece up to there, and I think I'll just use one bit down into there and have that falling and cascading just like that. In fact, you know what? I think that that's as much as I'm going to put into there. How beautiful is that without doing very much, and it didn't take any time at all. See you again another day.